Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be filming a summer haul. These videos always do really well and you guys always seem to love my hauls. So I'm going to try and keep doing them because to be honest, I'm always buying clothes so they're super easy to film. If you are new here, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe right down below. Press the red button and just do that for me. Thank you, please. Anyway, so it is obviously summer and I've been picking up some bits and pieces. I've worn actually a few of these already on my Instagram. So if I have a photo in any of these pieces, I'm going to insert them. But I'm not going to try on the bikinis that I'm going to show you just because they are a little bit, not cheeky, but I just don't really know what's allowed on YouTube and what's not. But if you do want to see them, I will insert photos and you can see them on my Instagram. So go follow me. I'll have that linked down below. But yeah, let's just get started with this haul. Okay, so for some reason, I thought I would be going out to all these events where I would need all these pretty dresses and outfits, and I actually bought a few like nice pieces, which I'm still in love with and I'm obsessed with, but I actually haven't got anywhere to wear them to yet, which is really sad. But this dress is literally the dress of dreams. It looks really confusing right now and I'm going to be completely honest, I cannot put it on without help and no one's home right now, so I'm not going to try this dress on, but I actually have a TikTok in it and I have photos in it, so I'm going to insert them all on the screen right now. But this is the Lee dress from Jagger & Stone, which you know it's going to be good because it's from Jagger & Stone. So it is honestly the most flattering dress ever. It's got like a cow's neckline, which usually I would not pick up because I never like think it would look good with someone with a larger chest. But oh my god, this dress does wonders for your figure. It like cinches you in everywhere you want to be cinched in. It's so flattering. I don't know what fabric this is. Like this, is it silk? Is it satin? No idea. I don't really know is it cotton? I don't know my fabrics, but I feel like it is an expensive dress, but it's such a staple and I know I'm gonna have it for ages just because it's so nice and it's backless. The back is probably one of the best parts. Like you can just show off a bit of skin and it can still be super sexy without it being like plunging or anything like that, even though mine was a little bit plunging, but oh well. So yeah, I love this dress. Super light, so in summer it's perfect because it's airy. This is the long version actually, but I got mine tailored because I'm really short. I'm only like 5'6". I'm pretty sure I am 5'6", yeah. But they do have a mini version of this where it's a bit shorter, so if you are more into that, which is more of like a casual look. Okay, so the next piece of clothing, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty late to the trend. I saw these like 3 years ago, wanted them, never got them. I'm pretty sure I legit remember sending a photo of these exact pants to my mum and her being like, ew, you are not wearing them. Like, you are not wearing them. To be fair, I was probably like 16 and these are like see-through crochet pants and she probably thought I wanted to wear them like down the street, but obviously I'm not. I mean, I probably would do that to be honest, but like, it's a beach cover-up, mom. Like, are you serious? Anyway, so these are these white crochet pants and obviously I wear them with bathers underneath, but if you want to rock these down to the supermarket, then absolutely do that. You do you. So these are from Zaful actually. This is going to sound bad, but I have never personally, other than these pants, ever ordered off Zaful. I know a lot of my friends have and they have gotten beautiful bathers. I'm going to get into a little bit later what it's like ordering bathers for me, but I'm just not ready to take that risk with bathers off Zaful yet. So these pants I guess were like a trial and I actually really love them. They're crochet, they're white obviously. They were so cheap, so for the price they are pretty good quality. You'll definitely make a statement in these down at the pool because I put these on for like 2 seconds at my caravan park to take a photo in, which is kind of embarrassing in itself, and I definitely got stared at. But I don't know if that was a mixture of wearing these like 8 AM or the whole like I was getting a photo shoot at a caravan park. I don't know which one kind of drew the attention towards me, but these are so nice, and even though they are kind of like a couple seasons ago trend, they're still super in and you can still definitely make them work. Like I literally love them. They're white, so they're super classic. And yeah, they're just like something cute to chuck over. so you don't feel as exposed when you're like walking down to the pool, I guess, even though it's still pretty exposed. But I really like these. What else did I pick up next? Ooh, what am I gonna show you? Okay, so the next thing is probably my favorite thing that I picked up. I don't know, I think this may or may not be a tie with the black dress because I'm obsessed with that black dress, but this skirt I saw on Sophia and Cinzia's Instagram, and I fell in love the minute I saw it. It was love at first sight, and if you know me, you know I literally don't even believe in love, let alone. So when I saw this, I was like, wow, people are right. Love at first sight is real. Love is real from this inanimate object. I realized that. So this skirt is stunning. It's still got the tag on because, as I said, no one's inviting me to a fancy dinner in like Mykonos, you know, where I'd probably wear this. You know what I mean? Like, how rude. It is a white knot skirt. It's from Zara. It is literally so stunning. Like, I can't even explain how stunning it is. When I saw this, I went on the Zara website. It was like mid-winter. Like, I saw this skirt in winter, probably like June or July. I was like, I need this skirt. It was not on the Australian Zara website. I was like, this is horrible. Where is this skirt? I need it. I literally stalked every country Zara. It was on Zara England, Zara like France. I think I even found it on like Zara Russia. I think it was Russia. I don't know. It could have been. It was all these random countries. It was on every single one besides Australia, and I was literally shattered. I kept checking, and then it got to about like November, and then I had given up. I had just stopped checking. I even had emailed Zara at this point, and they're like, look, it's not looking great, you know what I mean? And then one day I just had like a gut feeling. My gut's not up here. And I was like, I'm gonna go on the Zara website and just see if it's on there. Like, the universe answered my freaking prayers because it was there, and I ordered it straight away. And that was like November, and I still haven't worn it, and it's literally nearly Feb. So now, to go with that, I actually ordered a top, which is super duper stunning. Once again, it's still got the tag on, but like, we're not going to talk about that. This is from Lioness, so you can get it on Princess Polly, you can get it on Bikini Boutique, and it's just this, I was about to say bandeau, but it's not a bandeau because it has a string. So you put this around your neck, obviously, and then it's like a white, just like little boob tube. So stunning. The material is like silk. Actually, I don't, as we said before, I don't know what material this is. Oh, it's nylon and spandex. It kind of feels like bathers. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of material, but it's so stunning. I feel like two-piece skirts and tops are really in right now. There's like a fluoro hot pink one that I really want, but I'm like, Katie, you're never gonna wear that. And like, there's a black one that I want as well, and I'm like, Katie, you're not going anywhere. Like, don't buy that. Yeah, I think I need to go somewhere to wear that one first before I buy any more, but I'm obsessed with that top. Okay, I think that's all the clothes that I picked up. So I'm now going to show you guys my bathers. Okay, so I don't know about you, but buying bathers for me is literally the hardest thing in the world. Like, actually, there is nothing harder. I'm not even joking. And that is because I am like a size 8, 6, like small down below. Up top, literally no idea what size I am. Every single bikini store is so different, and I swear like every bikini is like this small. Like, that will like literally cover my nipple. So it's just really hard to find bikinis that fit me and are actually pretty and are supportive and they don't look disgusting, because I feel like bikinis are made for smaller boobed people. I personally like to buy all my clothes online. No joke, I probably returned like 15 pairs of bikinis because they just didn't fit, they were the wrong size, they were just not working for me. And honestly, I was in tears by the end of it. I was like crying to mum, like, Mum, like, I cannot wear bikinis. They do not fit me, they do not look good. But I finally found like 3 pairs that I'm really happy with. So I want to share with you guys where I got them from so you don't have to go through that struggle. I'm going to start off with my favorite bikini, and that is just this black one. All of these are like really plain, just simple, solid colors. Like, I was just like hunting for a bikini that would fit me, that the last thing I was thinking of was just having crazy patterns. I literally just wanted ones that I could wear this year, next year, the year after, and it would just fit me, because I'm over bikinis, to be honest, at this point. But this is from White Fox Boutique. I ordered a few off there and I found only this style, like this particular bikini was the only one that was flattering and actually fit me. For size reference, this, do you guys see this? This is an extra large. That is the biggest size they go. They fit my boobs, which is great. I know so many more people that have bigger boobs than me, so the fact that this is the biggest size is a little bit concerning. Heaps of different styles, and you just pick and choose what bottoms and tops you want and in what color. To match these, I got these ones. So they're just a black bikini with like a is this thong? No, just with the cheeky back, which personally I think is the most flattering style on my body, when it's a little bit cheeky on the bum. Love these. These are also high-waisted, which is like an essential for bikini bottoms for me now. High-waisted bikini bottoms are super duper flattering, so if you don't have high-waisted bikini bottoms, definitely get your hands on them, because they make your body look way better than if they're just like low rise. I don't know. Next bikini is just this white bandeau top. This is from Lahana Swim, so it's like a bandeau at the front and then the back is like backless basically. I don't actually have any bathers that are the bandeau style, so I wanted to pick this up because I was honestly at the point when I was trying to find bikinis that were flattering on me, was just like trying like all different styles just to see what I would like better. I think I do like the triangles the best. That being said though, I bought like 15, maybe 12 pairs of triangle bikinis, and they were the only ones I liked. And I actually matched this with these white bottoms from Lahana. These are from Beginning Boutique actually. I think they're from their like swim range, and they are just like white bikini bottoms. They just look like this. They are pretty cheeky. They are like the G-string cut, but as I said, I do prefer that on my body. I find it's a bit more flattering. And then they have like the high-waisted bands as well. A large in this Lahana top. And for reference, I'm wearing a small in these bikini bottoms. Last thing that I'm going to show you guys in this haul is this pink t-shirt bather top. Basically, it looks like a crop t-shirt, but it is a bather top. And as much as it covers like a lot, like your shoulders and a bit of your arm, it's still super sexy because as you guys can see, it has buttons up the front, so you can clip up or clip down as many buttons as you like. I'm pretty sure when I wore this, I had like only one button. A bit of, you know, action at the front, which I really liked. Like with the tan, fluoros are so nice to wear. This summer I've seen a lot more t-shirt bikini tops like this. This bikini brand makes all of their bikinis from recycled plastic bottles and fishnets, which honestly is so cool. And yeah, and they have some really good styles, so I definitely recommend checking out VDM the label if you have not. Yeah, that is everything for my haul. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, press the red button down below, and yeah, bye guys.